35 interesting facts about girls. 1. Girls like guys with a sense of humor and hate guys who always brag about themselves. 2. Girls are very suspicious human beings. 3. Girls can either jokingly or seriously get jealous over your PUBG game. 4. A girl may not trust her boyfriend every time, but she would always love her trusted one. 5. A girl cannot keep a secret for more than 47 hours. 6. It is really hard to figure out why girls are unpredictable. 7. Girls spend 1 year of their lifetime just in deciding what to wear. 8. Girls hate it when you make them wait. 9. The girl who gives you a quick yes is either be too impulsive. 10. You can impress a girl by knowing her interests. 11. Instead of a girl telling her feelings to a guy, her favorite song would convey it better. 12. Girls would behave likewise with what profanity we use on them. If you scold her telling evil woman, she would act accordingly, and if you praise her with the words like a goddess, she would behave like a goddess. 13. Girls usually compete unconsciously among themselves, especially when it comes to beauty. 14. A woman can tolerate double the pain compared to a man. 15. Girls spend 120 hours in a year looking at themselves in the mirror. 16. In every 100 girls, only one would become the wife of her lover, remaining 99 would remain as passwords for Gmail and Facebook accounts of their lovers. 17. You should let her cool first before you say sorry, otherwise, she won't accept your apology. 18. Girls like guys who can protect and defend them. You don't have to be a Rambo though. 19. If a girl says no, believe her. She wouldn't give you a no if she likes you. 20. Girls love receiving letters and surprises. 21. When a girl is talking and if a boy says, okay bye, they hate him a lot. 22. Girls like boys who ask for advice. 23. Boys love what they see, girls love what they hear. So, girls wear makeup and boys lie. 24. If you're thinking that girls are very particular with a guy's looks, then it's time for you to make a shift. It's the attitude that they fall for. 25. There would be a dark secret in every girl's life which is not even shared with her best friend. 26. Girls love pampering and being pampered. 27. Girls stammer when they are talking to the guy they admire. 28. There is no guarantee that a girl would get impressed, however we respect her, praise her, love her and care for her, but in the case of guys a smile would suffice. 29. Do not lie to a woman, it may be late but you would be caught definitely. 30. For every 90 seconds, one woman dies due to pregnancy-related complications. So, please respect women. 32. Woman speaks about 20,000 words a day. That's 13,000 more than the average man. 31. Women can see more colors than men. 33. Behind every successful man, there may be a woman waiting to inherit it all. 34. Women may have one breast bigger than the other. 35. Women have sensitive hearing even while sleeping. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos.